Our CES 2020 coverage is made possible thanks to EK, MSI, Thermaltake, Patriot, Lian Li, XPG, ViewSonic Elite, ECS Elite Group, and Creative. Hey everyone, Andy Rafael from eTeknix.com, and while we were at CES 2020, we stopped by XPG to see what they had on offer, and, well, it was pretty damn special. To start with, they had the XPG Summoner. Now you may remember that XPG actually kind of went into the realm of doing peripherals. So they came out with the precog headset, they came out with a mouse, and then also the Summoner keyboard. We actually reviewed it ourselves, and for, I guess, their first attempt, we were actually pretty damn impressed with it. Now the one that we actually looked at was the Speed Silver version. It also comes on top of the Speed Silver with red and also the blue switches. Now what they've decided to do is take it one step, well, a little bit further. Actually, no, a lot further. They've decided to make a 24 karat gold version. Now why this isn't for the faint-hearted, it actually looked pretty damn impressive, if not a little bit garish. Obviously it is going to come down to personal preference, so I'm excited to see what you guys think. Let me know in the comments section below. Is this something you'd go for or maybe not? But basically it's exactly the same as the Summoner keyboard, but the aluminium keycaps are now coated in a 24 karat plated gold. So they have actually said that it's not going to be mass production, which is a little bit odd, but they also told us that someone has actually managed to buy one already. So I guess it goes to show that if you have the right amount of money and the right connections, and maybe you ask XPG really, really nicely, then they might actually sell you one. Now the person who's actually got one, we're told, is a prince, and I believe they're a prince in Dubai. Now, it kind of goes without saying that in Dubai, the UAE, and that kind of surrounding area, they are really sort of into their gold, whether it comes to the cars, phones, and everything in between. So it was no surprise when they did say that a prince in one of these countries actually has it, and it also has his name engraved on it. So, yeah, I guess if you ask them really nicely and you have the right amount of money, they will actually come through with you. Now, does anyone want to have a guess how much money that actually is? Well, hold on to your hats, because it is $10,000. So yes, it's not for the faint-hearted, but look at what you get. A one-of-a-kind kind of piece. And it just goes to show that there are people out there who will spend this kind of money on something so, let's say, unique. Yeah, that's the word I'm going to go for, unique. Personally, I don't like it, but I can see that the quality is there. And other than that, it pretty much is a Summoner keyboard. It's just really down to the aesthetics. So really interested to see what you guys think. Let me know in the comments section below, how many of these keyboards would you actually buy? I mean, I've already got my name down on a pre-order, just so hopefully when gold goes up in value, I can sell it on, but who knows. Other than that, be sure to check back for all of our CES 2020 coverage from Las Vegas, Nevada, and I will see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.